Okay, as you guys can see, I need to get ready for this haul, and when I do, I go all out to put myself together. That's how you complete an outfit. Trust me, it's a great way to boost your confidence. So before we try on these one size, maybe too small K-style lip hop clothes, as one does, let's get ready together. Thank you to b00bie for sponsoring today's video. I've been genuinely enjoying them so much. I mean, look at my aqua bomb. If this doesn't scream loyalty, then I don't want it. This is the best moisturizer in the morning under all that cakey, flaky makeup. Honestly, if you want a flawless canvas to blend all that makeup you put on top, then you have to try this. Because my skin can get really dry in the morning, I apply a layer of this so it can bring back my youthful glow and my skin elasticity. It literally feels like silk on your skin, just pumping on natural hydration, picking my skin back up. I can already see it. You absolutely feel like your skin is taking a drink of water. This lightweight hydrating gel cream can absorb efficient enough that my dry skin in the morning can saturate enough and hold down until all my natural oils disperse back into my face. Because I am oily skin, but something about this weather in the winter time, my skin is super dry in the morning. Trust me, it's not heavy or greasy at all throughout the day underneath all that makeup, and that has always been a huge issue for me, but I don't find it with this moisturizer. That's kind of the reason why I'm running low. Of course, you can opt for the moisturizing balm, which is a little bit more nourishing for really dry, flaky skin. I mainly use this one at night for the purpose of supple skin, but you can definitely adjust it to whatever your skin's liking, whatever fits. I'm gonna leave the links down below for you guys. Please try the aqua bomb if you're looking for a moisturizer to wear under makeup. It has so many hydrating skin benefits. It's 2021. Find a moisturizer you can trust and believe in. Meet my best friend. Okay, let's get ready. Glides on like butter. My skin is nice and glowy, my makeup's on, my hair's done, girl! Let's do it, Linda. Let's get this haul going. So as usual, I'm trying on K-style clothes from Korea, lip hop. You guys know I've been doing lip hop for almost a year now on my channel. Lip hop is definitely bad bitch energy. And recently, they've been snatching on lip hop. We shall too. Listen, Linda, per usual, the size runs smaller in Asia versus here in America. I'm your average Joe mid-sized Asian American girl, and I'm pretty short. This is to the big chesties girls. This is a big booby girl haul because K-style clothes are so tight on the chesties, so we're gonna have to see what's up. And also, a lot of these items were in one size, so okay, but I've been seeing the G-Idol girls wear this top. Obviously, all the lip hop girls. I was influenced, and I got one too. This is just a mock neck. It doesn't go as high as a turtleneck, and it has the label lip hop all over it. Okay, one arm in. It does have a stretch to it, although it is tight. Okay, let's see if my head can go through this. Big ass head. Ugh. Oh, see-through. Ta-da! It does feel a little tight on my neck. It's like a rubber band. Sometimes when the neck is too tight, it becomes like, my neck becomes my face. It is very suffocating. You can see my back chesticles. Yes, I have boobies growing out of my back. Really nice. Keeps you warm in the winter, you know? I'm a little bit too big. That's why you can really see the stretch, aka the see-throughness. How does that make me feel? A little left out, but it's okay. It kind of your waist. The most tightness I feel is around my armpits, right here, per usual, right here, per usual, and my neck. So I don't really mind it. I kind of like it. I feel very, is it worth being choked? Yeah. Sweater, knit, sweater. I know, very out of my style, but hey, stocky. Oh, did you look like this? Hello? It's just like an oversized jump. Oversized. Who am I kidding? It's just a jumper. It's not oversized at all. Is this throwing it off? Yeah, let's try this again. Hold on. Oh, just your average Joe knitted sweater. It's also very thick. The quality is really good, so it's very casual, very normal. It doesn't give me that factor. It just looks like I'm here to work at AT&T. Honestly, I'd wear it out. It's super soft and cozy. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I kind of don't want to get out of this. It feels so welcoming. Yay for feeling welcomed. I bought a set. I lied, I did. It's just a top. Ooh, girl. sis. I love the color. It's baggy on the sleeves. It's nice and warm. Not that warm. There's a cinch. I just made it tight around my waist. Isn't that just cute? I love this color. Flattering. It makes you look so youthful and just a baby dog.
That's just my baby dog.
This is the texture. It's a little bit rough. It's not cotton or soft. Looks like a kitchen towel. A towel in general. I don't mind wearing a towel if it's this cute. How can you go wrong with this cinch? I totally wear this out with some jeans. It passed the jean check. Who doesn't want to look like a minty baby? Oh yes! Holy crap! Look at this sweater. First of all, the quality, the way I'm feeling this, I'm feeling loved, girl. I'm feeling fed. That feels so nice, so good, so baggy, so loose. One size fit all, yes. Inclusive, yes. I'm getting excited. Even my head fit through with no trouble. Look at this. What does it say? Revenge. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Look at the sleeves. Oh my gosh, this is not your average sweater, bruh. Your wings, you can flap. Slap. Are you f***ing with me? Really like how the neck is so big because it just looks like you're in your boyfriend's sweater. The sleeves, hello, balloon shape and all. Get this, guys. The inside, oh my god, if only you could feel this through the screen, you would not regret. 2 people can fit in this. I love gray and yellow. Holy frick. Ring, ring-a-ling. Like, I don't know why this sweater is making me so excited. Plus, I'm like 5 feet. All this room, girl. All this room to flap and slap. We're not paying rent for no reason here. We got room to live here. Oh my god, I feel so cute. Definitely get this sweater. This sweater's only for winners. Stop! Oh my gosh, I knew I bought some kind of set. This is the skirt! The windshield swiper skirt! Windbreaker sweater crop top as well. Okay, let's try. Do you get the concept? It's a jogger set, but with a skirt. Midi skirt. Oh shit. This is feeling a little tight. I'm a little worried. I'm actually a lot worried. This is the waist. It is the size of my thigh. Oh great. And I have 2 thighs, unfortunately. There is a stretching seam at the back, so that makes up for the loss. Hold it. Why'd you give me 2 thighs? Oh my god, no way. It's stuck. I can do it. Ugh. Yeah, I can't do it. Well, this is as far as it went. So, it's supposed to be a skirt. Can you guys tell? Yeah, so. It would have been too long for me anyway. It's fine. I'm not offended at all. At least half of us is covered. Oh, she said bodycon dress me one more time so I can cry. Well, this is a bodycon dress plus a sweater on top. I mean, this one has a stretch to it, so maybe it will fit. So far, so good. Okay. It fits, but it doesn't fit. You know what I mean? You know that? You went through it, but you know you don't like that good now. Okay. Yeah, your girl's been eating good. We know. I hate how short this comes up. Look at all this meat I have just hanging. This length is not long enough. It needs to go lower. Let's put the sweater on and maybe we'll talk about it then. How about this? How about this? We can hide. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hiding is an art. I'm hiding because you won't be able to handle all of this and this. I don't like the dress underneath at all, but I like the idea of a dress and a sweater. There's just no room to shine, you know? For a second, let's just talk about quality. Not that great. I just feel like everything is being pushed up here and down here. The chesties, my besties, are being squished. Can you feel my heart beat? Is that a 2 p.m. song? Yay or nay? I say nay. Ooh! You guys know I love me my tanks and cardigans. That's the thought way. It's like pulling off a legging for your body. Isn't this super cute? I love this color. This is the top. Super flirty. Actually makes my busticles feel like very plumped. It's the perfect cutoff line, so you do see a peekaboo of your twins. This is such a youthful color. It just brightens you up. This is a tank alone. Very soft and flexible for a 1 size. This is absolutely great. I love this. It has like a very cooling feeling to it, although it has like this soft, feathery feel. And it just makes you look like a hoe out here. Yes! I would totally wear this on a cute first date. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. You have to get this color. I bought a blazer from Liphop. Oh my god, did I? Ooh, it's a little wrinkly now. Oh my gosh, how cute. It is way too long, sis. Holy f, I'm so ashy. I do love how big and oversized, yet still very comfortable and light. I feel so professional. I should act like a lady. You know, sometimes I just wish that I could like embody a very put together, got my shit together, boss lady look. Instead, I'm just a clown who runs her mouth. What if I just pretend? All hair back? All hair back? Do you think this way? Do you much prefer this way? Open? Should we open both? Open one? Okay, okay, that was good. That was good, right? We're such best friends, bro. Let's say we're gonna do a jumpy clip. Jumpy! Okay, pajama time. Oh, pajama bottom. Ooh, these are cute. Teddybear, we love. The combo, we love. These are pretty thick for pajamas. It sounded like I said pajamas. Yes! They're just soft, cute pajamas. They feel and look fun. We should have a sleepover, Linda, with everyone wearing these. One last thing. If you guys couldn't tell already, I'm obsessed with socks. These are my boyfriend's. I love funky, cute socks. So I got myself cow socks. Oh my god! 2 more boring socks, but very general. It'll spice up your outfit socks. But this one, so cute. That is it for this K-Style lip hop haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Girl, go try on those K-Style baddie clothes. We come in all different sizes and shapes, so some things that don't fit me might really fit you. We're all built differently, so of course these things will differ on all body shapes. And the whole point here is just to show you guys that clothes in Korea and in Asia differ in sizes from here in America. If you want me to try on more lip hop clothes, then make sure to like this video. And until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!